Super Bowl is this Sunday, and in honor of my childhood team, the LA Rams, we're going to be making the famous Cheeseburger Sub served at SoFi Stadium. Check it out, I still have my toy helmet of the Rams when I was a kid. This is from the 70s. Yes, I'm that old. So let's get started. Okay, we're starting with a pound of ground beef. It's grass-fed, 85% lean, 15% fat. We're going to try and shape this into the size of a hoagie or a sub roll. Kind of roll it out, and it's becoming elongated. Okay, so I think we got the length down. Now let's just kind of pat it down flat. And you want it to be a little bigger than what your roll is if possible, because it's going to shrink as it cooks. All right, after we've formed the ground beef, it's time to season it. I've got some kosher salt, and we're just going to generously season from the heavens. And then fresh cracked pepper, of course. And we'll do both sides. All right, I've got my little griddle going here on medium. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my buttered roll, and we're just gonna get that a little toasty. You don't have to do this, but I prefer. All right, after a couple minutes, let's give it a turn. Yeah, I think that's toasty enough for me. Set that aside. And I'm gonna grab a dab of butter. Okay. Now I have a cup of diced onion. I want to get those going for a little bit. All right, I pushed the onions up to the corner. We are going to put the ground beef down. Wish me luck here, folks. A little tricky. I'm gonna get my arm underneath there. Move in close. All right. We are on the grill. Okay, after a few minutes on the first side, I'm gonna give it a couple little presses. All right, everybody, it's been about 5 minutes on this side, on medium. You can see these juices starting to come out. It's a good indication it's time to flip. I've got a big spatula here, but I'm gonna need the assistance of this little guy too. I don't want it to fall apart if possible. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. Let's do some more presses. After a couple of minutes on the other side, it's time to lay down our American cheese. And I prefer to use the Kraft Deli Deluxe. And if you want the cheese to melt a little faster, you can always put a cover over it. So I'm just gonna put some tin foil right over. Okay, after about a minute or so with the foil over it, the cheese is melted. Oh, wow. We are ready to build this cheeseburger sub. Okay, it's time to build the sub. SoFi, they call for mustard and ketchup. But if you like mayo or whatever spread you want, it's your decision. But I'm just gonna stick with what they do. Get our ketchup on there. So next they lay down their grilled onions. And I like a lot of onions, so I'm gonna put every bit as I can get on there. Okay, we're gonna gently lay the patty down on the bottom roll. See, I should have rolled it out a little bit longer so it would hang over the, the roll, but we're gonna be fine. And then our final thing is just dill sliced pickles. Oh yes, we are building the cheeseburger sub from the LA Rams, SoFi Stadium. All right, we're gonna put the lid on, and there we have it, guys. Oh yeah. All right, we've built the cheeseburger sub. It's time to give it a taste. Don't forget, if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a video. And let's go into this thing and take a bite. Oh yeah, perfect. Such a basic, fun, easy recipe. Give it a try. Go Rams. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in.